Hello, my dear boys and girls. Last class we discussed about exponents and powers, and we have completed the chapter. And today we will move to factorization chapter. Which one? Factorization. I think you remember last year in 7th standard. I think you studied about factorization. How to split a number. Okay, after splitting you multiply both factors, you will get the same number. For example, 15xy, right, is a term. Find out the factors of 15xy. Okay, you know how to find out the factors of 15xy. Here this 15 can be factorized by 3 and 5, right? 3 into 5, 15. And here x and y. This one you studied in the previous year. Okay, in 7th standard. How to split a number or a term. Okay. And I think you studied how to find out the factors also in 7th standard. Okay. This year in 8th standard, the chapter name called factorization. Okay, factorization is nothing but splitting a term, a polynomial. Okay, you will get some factors, or you just multiply all the factors, you will get the same term. 3 into 5, 15. 15xy is 15xy only. After multiplying the factors, you will get the same number. Okay, is nothing but factorization. Is called factorization. Splitting a term or a polynomial. Okay, you will get some factors. For example, one more you can take. One more example for factorization. See here, 2x plus 4 is a binomial. Just split this binomial. Okay, what we have to find out here? We have to find out the factors. Okay, here 2x and 4. First we will take the common in numericals. What is the common in numerical? 2 and 4 are divisible by 2 right? And what is the common in first term here? 2 already common. What remains? X remains, and plus this 2 is divisible. This 4 is divisible by 2, right? 2 2s are 4, and here 2 and x plus 2. This 2 and x plus 2 are the factors of this term, binomial. Just multiply. What we have to multiply? You multiply these two factors, 2 and x plus 2. You multiply. You will get the same binomial. Okay, is nothing but factorization. Okay, here just it's very simple. You will get the factors by taking common. Okay, then after getting the factors, just you have to multiply, you will get the same binomial or a polynomial. Okay, today which is our topic? Today's topic is factorization. Which one? Factorization. Today's topic is factorization, and we'll solve some examples. Okay, of your textbook examples only. 12x plus. Just we have to find out the factors here. Okay, what is our aim? We have to find out the factors of a given binomial or a polynomial. Okay, well, whatever it may be, or a term. What we have to find out? We have to find out the factors. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the factors. Okay, we will consider one example. 12x plus 36. This is there in your textbook. Okay, this is there in your textbook. Here 12x plus 36. What I will do, I will take first, I will concentrate on numerical. What we have to concentrate? We have to check, is there any common in numerical first. 12 and 36 are divisible by 12 table. Then we have to take 12 common outside. Okay, and what remains here? 12 already common outside. X remains, and 12 threes are plus 12 threes are 36. What we got now? 12, here nothing is in multiplication, right? 12 and x plus 3 are the factors of same polynomial, 12x plus 36. This much, very simple. Here we have to find out the factors. Okay, one more, a silly problem. Okay, very simple problem. Again we have to find out the factors here. 22y minus 33z. First we will concentrate on numerical. 22 and 33, okay, are divisible by 11 table. Okay, 22 and 33 both are divisible by 11 table only. And I'll take 11 common outside. We cannot take 22 common. In 22 table 32 is not there. We cannot take 32 also, 33 also, sorry. We cannot take 33 also. Why is 33 table? In 33, 22 is not there. Both are divisible by 11 table. Okay, I'll take 11 outside, and 11 twos are 22. And why? As it is here, common variable is not there. We cannot take z or y common outside. Common variable is not there. Okay, only in numerical only we can take the common. What is the common? 11 is a common. How? 22 and 33 are divisible by 11 table. 11 twos are 22. Why? As it is minus sign. 11 threes are 33. Z as it is. Here 11 and 2y minus 3z are the factors of this binomial. Very simple. Okay. One more, next problem. 14.1 first main. Just we have to find out the common factors here. 12x comma 36. Where this is the problem of your exercise 14.1 first main. Okay, what we have to find out in this first main, first one, we have to, they are given two terms, 12x and 36. In these two we have to find out common factor. Means both the term, in both the term, is there any common numerical or variable? Here x is there, here x is not there. We cannot take x as a common. Okay, in variable there is no common variable. Okay, in numerical we will see 12, in 12 and 36, both 12 and 36 are divisible by 12 table. Yes or no? Then in 12x and 36, 12 is the common factor. Okay, this is the answer. Very simple. And one more example, comma 22xy. So very simple. Okay, is there any common in variable? Here in 2y and 22xy, is there any common variable? We have to go through common variable first. Here y is there, here also y. I will write y common outside. Okay, and here x is not there, we cannot take x common. Y both the side is there, we can take y outside, is a common. And this in numerical 2 and 22. Both 2 and 22 are even numbers and both are divisible by 2 table. This 2y is the common factor in both 2y and 22xy. This is very simple. Okay. Okay. Again, two more problems of your exercise 14.1. Very simple problems. Here, what they are given: 10 pq is the one term, 20 qr is again one more term, 30 rp. Just go through here how many terms they are given. 1, 2, 3. In all three terms, first we will go for, we have to search in variable. Is there any common variable? Here p is there, here p is not there, here p is there. Here p is not there. We cannot take p as a common. Okay, p is not there in all the three terms. If it is there in all the three terms, then it is a common. P is not a common term, variable. Here q is there. Okay, here also q is there in second term, but here q is not there. We cannot take q also as a common. Okay, variable. Here r is there, here also r is there, but here r is not there. We cannot take r as a common. Okay, r is not there. Then here we cannot take any variable as a common. Okay, now we'll concentrate on numericals. 10, 20, 30. All 10, 20, 30 are divisible by 10 table. Then 10 is a common factor. This is the answer. Very simple. Okay, here variable common not there. Then 10, 20, 30 are divisible by 10 table. Then 10 is a common factor. Next, one more problem. 14 pq, 28 t square q square. See here. pq, p and q. Here also p and q. Here 1p, 1q. Here 2p, 2q. How many pq we have to common take? We have to take common outside. Here 1, 1. Here 2, 2. Common we have to take outside. 1p, 1q. We can take common outside. Okay. Here pq common outside. 1p, 1q. Here 2p, 2q. And we got the common variable in both the term. Okay. And we will concentrate on numerical. 14 and 28. 14 and 28 are divisible by 14 table. Then 14 pq is a common factor in both the term. Yes or no? 14 pq is a common factor of both the factors, both terms. Okay, very simple. Okay, we'll go to 14.1 second main. In second main, what is there? Just we have to find out the factors by splitting. Okay, first question, 7x minus 42. In 7x minus 42, here x is there, here x is not there, we cannot take common x. And here 7 and 42. Just we have to split this 7x minus 42. Okay. Here 7 and minus 42. What is the common? Both 7 and 42 are divisible by 7 table. I will take common 7 outside. Why 7 outside? 7 is divisible by 7. And here this 42 is divisible by 7. And already 7 outside. What remains here in first term? This 7 is there already outside. We have, okay, 7 is a common. And what remains here? X remains. And minus 7, 6 is 42. What we got now? Find the factors. 7 and x minus 6 are the factors of this what? Polynomial. Sorry, given binomial. Okay, sorry. Polynomial more than 3, right? Okay. 7 and x minus 6 are the factors of this given binomial. You just multiply. See here, 7 and x minus 6. We will get the same term. Okay, 7 into x, 7x, 7 6 are 42. Then 7 and x minus 6 are the factors of this given binomial. Okay, this is the way how to clarify. And here one more. 6p minus 12q. First you check, is there any variable common in both the term? Here p is there, here q is there. We cannot take any variable as a common. Okay, and we'll check in numerical. 6 and 12. Okay, yes, 6 and 12 are divisible by 6 table. Then I'll take 6 outside from both. What remains here? P remains, and minus 6 2s are 12, and here q remains. 6 and p minus 2q are the factors of this given binomial. Okay, and here one more. It's very simple. 7a square plus 14a. Here how many a's are there? 2a. Here one more a. I'll take 1a outside. And 7 and 14 are divisible by 7 table. Then 7 already outside, 1a outside. How many a remains here? 1a remains, plus 7 2s are 14. 1a already outside here. Okay, we cannot write a here. 7 2s are 14. A already outside. 7a and a plus 2 are the factors of this given binomial. This is the way how to find out the factors. Just have to split by taking common. Okay, in binomial. And second main, remaining you try to solve. Okay, I'll write some problems here. You try this one. 6pq minus 54p plus 36p. You solve this one. Okay, 6pq minus 54p plus 36p. You find out the common factors of this. Is a trinomial, right? Okay, you find and send me the answer. And you please copy the same in your fair book. Okay, please write heading factorization and write today's date, and we have started exercise also. Second main, when already almost completed. Remaining 3 problems are there in second main. You try to solve any problem. You are having any doubt. Okay, just send me a picture of your problem. If you are having any doubt, personally also you can send. You can clarify your doubt. Okay, and we'll go to third main now. Okay, this is the exercise problem of your 14.1 third main first one. 14.1 third main first one. See here, in previously, okay, we discussed some how to find out factors of a one term and binomial. Here, how many terms are there? Here 4 terms are there. How to find out the factors? Here also just have to, in this chapter, just have to find out factors. For example, factors means, remember, okay, 15 can be factorized and by 3 and 5. Multiply 3 and 5, you will get 15 only. This is the way how to factors, right? How to factorize the given number or a term. Here also, here 4 terms are there. What I will do, here I will use one method. Factorization by grouping. I group first 2 terms. What I will do? I will group first 2 terms and next 2 terms. Okay? First 2 terms and next 2 terms. In first 2 terms, is there any common? Here x, how many are there? 2. Here x 1. I will take 1x outside. Okay? how many x remains here? 1x remains, and plus already 1x outside is there. You have to take common in both. I am taking x common, okay, which is there in both the term. This x is there in both the term. Here also x is there, here also x is there. Here 2x are there, 1x common outside, 1x remains. Okay, and here x already common, what remains? Y remains. Okay, this closes. Here we got the factors. And plus, here is there any common? 8x plus 8y. Here x is there, here x is not there. Here y is there, here y is not there. I will take 8 common outside. This 8 is there in both the term, right? And what remains? X remains. Y means 8 common outside. Only x remains. Plus 8 you take common outside. What remains? Y remains. Okay. Now we got common here also. Here also we got the factors. This is the one whole term. This is the one whole term. What is there? What is there the common in both the term? X plus y is the common in both term. Here also x plus y. Here also x plus y. I will take x plus y outside. Okay. What remains? Here already x plus y outside is there. What remains? X remains. This is the common and this remains. And plus in second term, in this whole term, x plus y already outside. What remains? 8 remains. Then x plus y and x plus 8 are the factors of this, okay, polynomial. It's very simple. Okay, first we have to make some groups. First 2 and next 2. For what we have to do? We have to take common in first 2. X is a common and what remains? 1x remains here. X common outside, y remains. And in second 2 terms, 8 is a common, x remains plus y remains, already 8 common. And in both the term, here, this is whole term, one term, and here one term. In both the term, x plus y is a common. What remains here? In first term, x remains. Here second term, 8 is a remains. Of a given term, x plus y and x plus 8. You multiply both the term, you will get the same factor. Okay? Same polynomial. This is the way how to find out the factors. My dear boys and girls, you please go through video and step by step you watch the video. Any doubt, any step you can ask. Okay, after watching the video, you please while watching the video only, you just copy the same all the problems to your fair book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, and one more thing. This completes your and remaining in third main remaining 2 problems are there. You try to solve. If you are not getting, just in next class we'll continue and we'll wind up this first exercise already completed. Okay, you try remaining problems and we'll go to next exercise. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.